Hi, this is Nate with Kalispell Toyota. I'm one of the accessory advisors. I am standing next to one of our 25 Tacomas. This is a special edition that we built, and I'd like to run over a couple things with you, show you what it's all about. With this 25 Tacoma, we wanted to pay respect to Toyota's long-lasting off-road heritage. We went with a rough country level kit, a 33.5-inch tall tire. We also installed these rough country ditch lights to give you more light when you're going off-road. We added the heritage stripe as well as an ARB chase rack. This chase rack does have multi panels on it, so you can add gas tanks or a shovel or any kind of recovery gear that you may need on the trails. And then we wrapped it all up with another heritage badge here on the back of the bed. The rough country ditch lights are wired into the switch panel here. All Tacomas come with multiple auxiliary knockout switches. So all you need to do is just wire it in and you have a factory looking switch right in your dash. Again, my name is Nate. I work at Kalispell Toyota. If you're looking to outfit your rig for your adventures, feel free to give me a call at 406-756-4191. Looking forward to talking with you. Thanks.